Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about one free Polkadot coin. Polkadot coin has the advantage of a blockchain system that can be optimized and regulated and needed. This market the multi-chain network system ability to profit freedom for networks that are members of Polkadot have to have a large scale multi-chain network allows Polkadot to perform more transactions because it can reduce transaction that occurs on the blockchain that offer a single network. 3. Have a specific site excellent with specific use case optimization service. In contrast to other blockchain that have various use case features. This allows developers to build the Polkadot blockchain more efficiently and quality without wasting code. Also read what is crypto meaning. This is how to mean crypto through Android. You can earn money and work. 4. When to upgrade easy other cryptocurrency requiring an upgrade select a hard fork. This upgrade time is quite long and difficult. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell. Thank you.